Welcome back to the channel, gamers. Today, we're going to be playing some Mario, but there are some specific rules that'll apply to today's video. And that is that I can only push 5 times. So, once I get it all edited, this menu doesn't count. Okay. I'll just try to fix this so I can actually see the screen. Alright. I'm gonna skip the cutscene, so see ya. Okay, we should be coming up to the hub world. So, the 1 counter only counts when I'm in a level. So, let the challenge begin. And what better place to start than the first level? This is gonna be a pain. I'm going so slow because I can't press 1. Okay, you didn't have to do that, you know. Time to get the propeller mushroom. Also, I want to point out that to spin jump does not require 1, so yeah. Oh, that went so slow. Too late to get the second star coin. How about the first? The third, not the first. This is so stupid. And we did it. Without pressing 1 a single time. But yeah, moves such as, what's it called? Ground pound, spin jump do not count for this challenge. So like that, I didn't have to press 1 a single time. This level is gonna be so slow. That's one way of taking out a POW block. Heck no. I completed my quest to kill those 2 piranha plants. Now, about these piranha plants. And now it's star coin time. Will this star coin even be possible without pressing 1? Let's find out. Oh look, there's a Goomba. He do be in a box though. Oh, come on, gamers. Oh, we did it. I did it. I don't care. I totally could have died right there, but I still didn't. I can't do the infinite one-up trick, though. That would require me to be running to even think to get enough speed to pull it off. I got 1 extra life out of that. You know, I'm just gonna go for the star coin. I don't even care. Excuse me. Thank you for choosing death. The only viable option. Alright. Ooh, no. A piranha plant tried to stop me from existing. I did it. Oh. I'm having a lot of close calls with these jumps. By the way, how did you like the new intro? It's a Mario time indeed. Jeez, this is gonna take so long. You know what? I'm just gonna head to World 5 straight away. I can't keep this up. Deep in a new. Okay, let's take out this hammer, bro. Walk as fast as you can, Mario. Alright, Yoshi. I would tell these Goombas to get in my dinosaur's mouth. But since I cannot press 1, that is not possible. Bye-bye. Propeller mushroom for some reason. Jeez, we're going so slow. No, Yoshi! Oh, there's pipes here, so he cannot leave. Or he can't leave very far, at least. Alright, can I get this one without pressing 1? I can indeed get that one without pressing 1. I'm trying so hard not to press 1. I can't even kill all these Goombas and Koopas with the fireball like I usually do. And I can't eat enemies at all, which is really sus. No! Yoshi! You killed Yoshi. I will never forgive you for your crimes. Yeah, that's impossible without Yoshi, my man. And I took the Yoshi from right here. So unless there's a Yoshi that I missed, I'm kinda stuck. Oh, this is not good. Gotta wait for the stupid piranha plant. And geez, this guy's back. Oh no. He avoided her. Alright, pink Yoshi. Have you ever noticed how the Yoshis in this game are color coordinated with the 4 playable characters? Which is Blue Toad, Yellow Toad, Green Mario, and Red Luigi. And then there's Green Yoshi, and then there's Blue Yoshi, and Yellow Yoshi, and Pink Yoshi. I know it's not red, but like it's still pink, and Red Luigi is red. Can I touch the top of the flagpole without pressing 1? Now that would be impressive. Okay, I can't do it the normal fashioned way. Well, I got close. You gotta love the way that Yoshi does a little dance whenever you win. Alright. Let's head to World 5. Gamers. Oh, jeez, Toad. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't think I will. He, who, waha. Yahoo indeed. I want to see how far I can get without pressing 1. And we've already made it to World 5. Oh jeez. Iggy, I think. I'm pretty sure that's Iggy. I get all the Koopalings mixed up. Anyways, I'm pretty sure that's Iggy. Anyways, his boss fight is really hard. Well, it's not like extremely hard, but if you don't have a power-up, then it can be a toughie. Oh geez, it's this one. Yeah, it's gonna happen if you're not careful. Oh my gosh, I was so close to death. Now I'm really close to death now. And I can't even get the star coin. Are you kidding me? Oh no, I pressed 1. Okay, add a 1 to the 1 counter. 1 out of 5. Oh no. I am scared about my current situation. Well, I can only press 1 4 more times. Oh geez, I was so close to dying via Koopa. Yay, Ice Flower! I can get the star coin now. And I can take more damage than usual. Time to die. Time to... Time to die. Time to die. How am I supposed to die him? I can't die him. He has to rise up before I can kill him. Die time. There. Killed him automatically. This is gonna be harder because I have to perfectly time my spin jumps. Because normally I can just spam one and they'll all die, but I can't. It defeats the whole purpose of the challenge. Hey. Alright. Checkpoint, finally. I don't even care that there's still like a lot more level to go. I'm just glad it's finally halfway over. Nope. No! I lost the ice flower. And that's the end of me. If I die one more time, on World 5-1 of all places, I will end the video. Can I pull an infinite one-up trick here? Nope. Alright, I'll just avoid the evil plants. Because they're all evil and they want to chomp my body and eat it. See, that wasn't so hard. And now I get an ice flower. I get an ice flower because I didn't die. That's my reward. Haha. Oh geez, this one. I don't know if I can do this one, in all honesty. I'm so used to pressing 1. Why do I have to do this? Well, that's the end of the run. Bye-bye.